Here we are looking at the 1939 Packard Super 8 convertible sedan. Beautifully done. It really is a beautiful car. Looking great with Packard maroon. Goddess of speed, bumper guards. Excellent. And correct for 39, alternately painted shutters for the radiator. Headlights. Packard Super 8. Of course, that's a full CCCA classic. 320 cubic inch straight 8. Last year for that engine, they had refined it totally. Really high quality paintwork. This top. Running boards are very nice and redone correctly. So excellent condition there. That's an important thing on these cars. Side mounts with tread covers. Really pretty. The interior and dashboard on this car are really spectacular. Brown leather, beautifully done, and matching steering wheel and dashboard. Look at that. This was the early plastic, and it's obviously been redone and redone beautifully. Switches, radio. We see the overdrive knob peeking out. Overdrive does work. Top latches. Wow. More beautiful in the back. Really excellent. Nice work. Double stitching there. Beautiful wood graining. It's really nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Engine bay, there's the 320 cubic inch straight 8 with oil filter, and there's the generator down there below. Fuel pump with vacuum assist, which we'll see with the working wipers, starter, and regulator. Really nicely done. Here we are on the right hand side. The engine with the Stromberg carburetor, the external choke actuator mounted on the exhaust manifold. That's good. And it's all really nice. Excellent. One last bit of information: the thermostatic shutters do work. They are open after having finished the drive. So, and last little look at the car, and there we go. We will now start it and take it for a drive. Ignition on, push the starter button, and we have charging. Gas gauge is working. Great oil pressure. Temperature gauge is coming up. And wipers are working. Horn works. Put it in first, and off we go.